These seriously are probably the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen. If you love handbags and shoes, this video is definitely for you. To say I am excited about this video would definitely be an understatement. I've got 3 new pair of shoes and 2 new handbags. Trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for those handbags. I also do have a coupon code that I will be sharing a little later on in the video, but as always, everything will be linked down below in the order that I share it. I will also put the coupon code information down below in the info box, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first pair of shoes I wanted to share with you guys are from Tory Burch. They are the only mid-range luxury brand that I'm sharing with you guys in today's video, so I want to go and share these first. I ended up ordering these from FARFETCH. You guys know that I share FARFETCH with you guys every couple of months or so. I do have a new coupon code. I get asked about it all the time. All details will be down below in the info box, so if there is something on your luxury or mid-range luxury wish list, I highly recommend you snag it as soon as possible. But I have been wanting these Miller sandals in this particular color for a while, so I went ahead and ordered it. You guys know I'm obsessed with nude. I do have these in the sand, like patent color, but I really wanted to get this makeup color. I think they came out with this color maybe 2 years ago or so, and it's been calling my name ever since, so I decided to go ahead and order these. I love them. I ended up going with a 7 in these. I'm typically a 6.5, so I do recommend going up half a size in these. I do have the other pair back here, and I did get those true to size, but when I compare them, I actually like the way these fit a lot better. So I definitely recommend going half a size in these. And like I said, you do have a coupon code. I'll pop it on the screen now, and it will be down below, and you can save 10% on these. Next up are these Valentino sandals. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen a sneak peek of these, but I wanted to go ahead and mention them in this video because one, they're one of my favorite luxury brands. You guys know how obsessed I am with Valentino shoes, but when I saw this new collection, I honestly just fell in love, and I had to grab these in nude as well. Are these seriously not the most beautiful sandals you've ever seen? I've already worn them once, but I wanted to go ahead and just repackage them so I could share them in this video. But these are part of the new Roman collection from Valentino. They are just an oversized, like, statement rock stud, and I am so glad that they did this collection. I think this collection is seriously so much fun. I've always felt like the classic rock stud was a like modern take on a classic look, but this definitely takes it up a notch. If you compare these two styles, you can see exactly what I mean. These are definitely a more understated stud. They're very classic, they're very simple, but because they have the rock stud, there is a little bit of an edge to them, but you really cannot compare it to the edginess to the oversized rock stud. Like, this collection is seriously giving me life, you guys. And the last pair of shoes that I want to share with you guys are Christian Louboutin. I've actually had these on my wish list for about 2 years, and I really just couldn't justify whether I would actually wear them or not, but I could not stop thinking about them. If you watch my vlogs, you probably know which shoes I am talking about. I have decided that I am definitely going to dress them down a lot. However, obviously, you will see they are a dressier shoe. They are one of those just like, okay, they come in 2 separate pouches. That might give you a little bit of a hint. Let me pull one out. These seriously are probably the most beautiful shoes I have ever seen. I am not even kidding you guys. They are just stunning. They are wrapped up very, very fancy. Okay, I'm gonna go and pull all of the packaging and stuff off just so you can really truly enjoy just the beauty. Are you ready? Because I'm not kidding. These are stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at these beauties. Oh my goodness. They are literally breathtaking. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a close-up. Let me cover up my face. Hopefully you can see. You have got a mesh material with these like encrusted crystals. They get a little bit more, I'm not sure what you call it, but like you've got the crystals, and they just kind of go sporadically through the heel. You've got this like suede metallic leather here, of course the red bottom. These are the 400 height, which is my favorite. It is a Pigalle shoe, like a Pigalle silhouette with a mesh material. These have seriously been on my wish list for no joke about 2 years. I ended up going up half a size with a 37. They do fit. I will say I might have to put like a little pedal heel here because my foot was slipping out of them just a touch, but I think if I went true to size, they would be too small. Hopefully these end up being okay long term. I love, 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 love everything about them. You can get this same shoe with a different heel. Like they have like a silver heel. I've seen a white heel. I've even seen more of like a gold heel. This is like a champagne heel. It is seriously the most beautiful shoe I've ever seen. It is like a true Cinderella shoe. I just love, love, love this shoe. Here are both of them together just so you could see. If you watched my vlog, it's probably been about 2 years because it was definitely pre-COVID. It was when I was vlogging just like out and about. And I remember I stopped by Louboutin and I mentioned these, and I think I popped on a picture of them and I just kind of randomly talked about them. I have thought about them since then and I finally pulled the trigger. So like I said, I am definitely planning on styling these down, like dressing them down. I was imagining them with like a pair of boyfriend jeans, kind of rolled up distressed, to have these and just even like a slouchy basic tee kind of half tucked in. Really, really dressing these down. However, obviously they would be great if I were needing to get dressed up. There's not a whole lot of occasions where I'm needing like cocktail or anything like that. That is a very rare situation for my lifestyle. And even though I feel like that might be a little bit more of an appropriate situation for these, I just couldn't stop thinking about them. I just think they are the most beautiful shoe I have seriously ever seen. Let's go ahead and dive into the 2 handbags that I want to share with you guys. So I have 2 handbags, like I said. One is brand new and one is pre-loved. I'm gonna go ahead and save the pre-loved one for last just because I think it is such an amazing find. It seriously is just stunning. So I want to go ahead and save that one for last. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this Valentino handbag. I am so excited about this bag, you guys. It seriously is just another check off of my wish list. It is so beautiful. I have a lot of packaging to take it off, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you before I removed all the packaging. It is the Roman Rock Stud, or just Roman Stud Valentino bag in the same color to match my sandals. Let me go ahead and pull off all the packaging so we can truly enjoy the beauty of this piece. I feel like this is the ultimate summer handbag. It is seriously stunning, you guys. Now, obviously, you can wear this one year round, but I just feel like it is just so beautiful for spring and summer. So as you can see, you've got a few different options to carry. You've got a top handle that is actually really, really nice and roomy, so you can wear it here on the arm, or you could double up the strap very similarly to, you know, the Chanel flap or something, or you can make it longer so that you can carry it crossbody or on the shoulder. This chain is so beautiful. Just in general, the quality of this handbag, the hardware is amazing. You've got this little turn lock here to open it up, and then you've got one large main compartment right there. You've also got a smaller zip compartment on that side, and then a smaller zip compartment on this side. It's a really, really good size. The leather is really soft and supple, so I will say it is going to be one of those bags. It's not like a caviar leather or a Soffiano or anything like that. You are probably going to have to be a little bit more careful with the softer, delicate leather. There is no compartments or anything on the back. You've just got these beautiful, like, oversized Roman studs. On the bottom, there is nothing, so you don't have any feet or anything, but it is seriously just such a beautiful bag. I will say I don't tend to gravitate towards these more modern, non-classic handbags. I'm telling you, there is something about this Roman collection that I just could not stop thinking about. I actually tried this bag on in store and could not stop thinking about it. The boys were actually with me when I tried it on, and I remember leaving that store and Matthew even asked me if I was gonna buy this bag, and I said I probably was at some point because I couldn't stop thinking about it. And even he said, he was like, yes, mommy, that bag was so beautiful. Like, it is seriously stunning. It does come in a few different colors. I know it comes in black leather. It also comes in this really nice, like, tweedy, like, threaded natural material, which was also really, really beautiful, especially up against these like gold studs. I feel like it's one of those bags that you can dress up or dress down, and it's definitely gonna be a statement piece. I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of compliments on this bag. It seriously is just so beautiful and so eye-catching. I will link this one down below, but they also have a smaller size. So if you like your crossbody bags to be a little bit smaller, this is the large. I'll link the same one, this one from FARFETCH, but I'll also link it down below in the medium size too. This next find is a major treat. I am so excited to share this one with you. It was such an amazing find. So in the past, everything that I've shared with you guys from FARFETCH has been brand new. I know there has been a little bit of an assumption that the pieces that I'm sharing from FARFETCH are pre-loved. They are not. Everything that I've ever shown you from FARFETCH is brand new, tags attached directly from the boutiques. However, this item is not. So I had so many of you ask if I have tried pre-loved from FARFETCH. They do have a pre-loved section, and I have not until now. I found a piece on their pre-loved section that just blew my mind. The condition that it was in, the price, like everything about it was seriously such an amazing find that I had to order it. And I also just really wanted to see what the pre-loved process from FARFETCH was like. One, I will say it was really easy. I placed the order, everything arrived really, really quickly. You can even still see the little UPS label here next to air. It was free shipping. I did not pay any extra, and I got it very, very fast. Packaging was also really nice. Everything was packaged really nice. You can even see the boxes in great condition. The way that they packaged it and everything was really, really nice as well. Let's go ahead and get to what I ended up finding on the inside. I will say I was kind of scouring their website and looking through their pre-loved section, and they have a little bit of everything. So whatever you're looking for, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, they had a ton of Hermes. They even had some Hermes scarves that I was considering buying. I almost ordered a couple of Hermes scarves so that I could frame them and you know, kind of hang them up somewhere around the house. I decided to go ahead and go this route instead and give one item a try. Just make sure that I liked the process through them. Like I said, it was really, really, really easy. The bag is in here. Everything was packaged really nice. It didn't come with a dust bag or anything, but that has nothing to do with FARFETCH. That is just this particular bag. The bags are just gonna come with whatever they came from the original owner. So I'm not gonna show you the bag that this one came in because it's actually like a clear bag, so I will give it away. I'm gonna go ahead and open it real quick just so I can reveal the bag entirely to you, but it seriously is the most beautiful piece. Okay, let me go ahead and I'm gonna zip her up just because I think she looks really, really pretty when she's zipped. Oh, I cannot wait to use this piece. It is seriously stunning. Okay, I think she's ready for her big reveal. So let me introduce to you my newest Louis Vuitton pre-loved item, and it is this Alma PM in this stunning, stunning epi leather. I actually don't even know the name. I would have to look it up. I can actually link this exact bag down below if you want to get specs or details. The quality of this bag, the condition that it's in, there is no smell, there is no damage. They are extremely picky about the bags that they will take into their pre-loved section. The pictures that they shared were on point to what to expect. They don't have a grading system per se, but because they are very picky about the bags that they will even allow to be sold on the FARFETCH website, you're pretty much guaranteed to know that the condition of the bag is going to be incredible. Look at the interior of this bag. Look at that. There is nothing. This bag, I believe, is from 1990. Is that not amazing? Like, look at the condition. I'm going to show you. Of course, it's got the FARFETCH tag. Look at the straps. Like, look at this piece. The leather is in amazing condition. Look at the corners. Everything is just so beautiful. So you guys know that I have an MM in the Alma. The Alma is such a classic bag. You really can't go wrong with either side. I even love the BB. Here is all of the information on it, just kind of letting you know, that it's authentic and they've authenticated it and everything. So all that is there and it comes with the bag, but it is seriously in exquisite condition and there seriously is no smell at all. Is that not so beautiful? Even look at the hardware. Look at the hardware. Let me see if I can get you a close-up of the details there where it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Can you see that? Is it coming up on camera? One of the things that I really love about this particular bag that mine does not have, my MM one doesn't have, is this one actually has the little clips here that I could put a guitar strap or something to hold this bag. So I could use probably even like my Louis Vuitton strap, like my Pochette Métis strap to go with this to carry it longer on my shoulder or maybe even crossbody. It may not look so good crossbody, but I love the fact that it has these little clips as an option so that I can put on another strap if I want to. But of course, I love carrying the Alma handheld. It is just such a beautiful classic bag to be worn handheld. I really just think this is such an amazing find. I will definitely be ordering more Preloved from FARFETCH if I come across things. I personally recommend, if you're looking through things for Preloved, to check the websites regularly. So go to FARFETCH, go scroll through, you can filter through whatever brand or bag that you're looking for. Scroll through on a regular basis. Their inventory is obviously going to be changing quite often, but I definitely recommend checking out FARFETCH if you're looking in the Preloved category. They had, like I said, a ton of brands to choose from. The prices were very, very competitive. I'm not 100% sure if my coupon code works. Make sure to check the info box down below. I will put all details on that as well. Either way, I do have the coupon code that can be used throughout the entire FARFETCH website, so keep that in mind when you're doing some shopping. But I'm really, really excited to use this bag. I feel like it is such a classic piece and I love the fact that it is in such amazing condition. So which bag was your favorite from today's video? I really honestly cannot wait to wear both of them. I feel like they are so different, but also both so me. Which one's your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's luxury haul. Like I said, everything will be linked down below as well as the FARFETCH coupon code. Make sure to use it if you have anything on your wish list. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification button to see more luxury videos, fashion videos, a little bit of everything here. Before you head out, make sure to watch one of these and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.